On. All right, so let's go around here, get a video of my new old truck, 2001 Ford F-150. And what I'm gonna do, you see it's got a huge dent here. So this first video is just gonna be everything that is wrong with this truck. I got it for $0 and it runs. I'll show you that in a minute, but there's a lot of things wrong with it, a lot of things I gotta fix before I can get it on the road. There's a dent here, needs new tires all the way around, needs a new headlight here and here. This hood's fine. Over here, just needs new tires. This side of the truck is totally fine. For a 24-year-old truck, it's pretty good. It is a long bed, so I could put a camper top on this or build my own camper top. But here, down here, you can see here is a little bit of rust on the bed, but that's the only rust. And I think that can be fixed with some paint. Yeah, so let's go inside. There's no keyhole here, so you got to go in from the other side where there's a keyhole. Wrong key. Okay. This little shifter here, need to replace that. It fell apart. Not when I had it, but okay, let's see if it runs. Alright. So it runs pretty good, I think. Well, let's go over and pop the hood. Yeah, that's how you pop the hood. So you can hear that I definitely need a new belt. We're just going to start with a new belt. Something else that I forgot that I need, but first thing I'm going to replace is that belt. And yeah, you can hear that making a lot of noise. The motor's running pretty good. And that belt is first. Then it's a 6-cylinder. I don't really know much about cars, but this is definitely a motor, and I think it's a 6-cylinder. Need new wipers. Oh. And okay, let's look in here. So I'm gonna need a new a liner here. I mean, the other side of the beds are fine, but need a new liner here. This radio is not working. I can't get it to work, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Get my brother, who's an electrician, to figure that out. And then this right here. Oops, some money in there. Well, this swings down. I don't know how to swing it down, but there we go. Right there. Like cup holder, armrest. That's the most important part of the vehicle right there, the cup holder. Nice cup holder. Horn works. The lights and everything work. She's not running hot yet. Only 300,000 miles. Yeah. So anyway, that's it. Got a lot of work to do. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.